Everyone, welcome back to YouTube channel again. So in this video you will learn the step-by-step process of obtaining a PAC code from Vodafone. Whether you are looking to switch to a new network or simply want to keep your option open. So knowing you to get your PAC, how to get a code is essential. So follow along as we will be provided through the necessary step to successfully retrieve your PAC code from a Vodafone. So in method first we have to using a my Vodafone account. So log into your my Vodafone account, navigate to the settings section, and then you have to select a view to access additional option. So proceed to manage SIM and then select to switching option. So choose switch to another network to initial the switching process. So this link we will provide you in a description box, so you can easily go through this link, and then you have to log in with your credential and follow the step where I have already told you in this PPT. Then after we have to going to how to get a pack code. Then after we have to select a view my existing pack or a STAC request to see your current code. So choose the code you wish to changes and follow the instruction to update your switching code. So remember that your switching code will be expired in 30 days if it remain unused. So ensure timely use or renewal as needed. And then we have to have a method to using a text message. So from the phone number you intend to move, compose a new text message. In the message body, type RPSC from a pack code, then send a text message to the number of your C65075 and await a response from your current provider containing the requested code. Then once you have received the pack code, you can process with the necessary step to switch to a new network provider. So these are the some simple matter with via online and via text. So thank you for watching our video. I hope this video is very helpful for you to getting a pack code from a Vodafone. So thank you for watching our video, and we will catch you in our next video.